Okay, Pratik. So let's start your interview with your introduction.
My name is Pratik Garg and I am come from Agra, Uttar Pradesh, but currently I am living in Alwar, Rajasthan. Sir, I did my graduation and post graduation both in commerce stream from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar University, Agra. Now, if I am talking about my professional career, so I am currently working with MRF Limited as a management assistant from last 8 years. Uh, MRF Limited is a well-known tire manufacturing brand of India. Here I am handling billing process billing process for 28 dealers in my sales division. So and here the average purchase of a month is around 6 to 7 crores per month. So I am generated 2,000 invoices at least per month.
Okay.
Along with this, I am doing some other general accounting works for my office, like cash general maintenance, vendor payments, bank reconciliation, other general entries, and stock management, etc. And I have been using SAP for all this work, so I have a good hand on SAP.
So in
Yes,
MRF,
sir.
what is your total experience?
In MRF, I have a experience of 8 years.
Okay, so for last 8 years you are working with MRF, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so why do you want to switch now?
Sir, actually, I have been worked in MRF last 8 years. So I
Mhm.
have been worked in at all the profile and all the process in the company. So here is no more to learn about me extra. First of
Okay.
all, sir, this thing, and second thing is that, sir, the company policies is they they are transferred to an employee every 2 or 3 years to another city. So I am not comfortable with this fact.
Okay, so they transfer all of their employees to a different city?
Yes, sir. All of the employees and their policies is that, sir, they never be given you your hometown.
Strange policy. I was not aware about that. Thanks for sharing that as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's talk about the order to cash process. So could you please tell me what
Yes,
is
sir.
order to cash process?
Order to cash process is a process. Uh, it contains all the steps of uh, order to cash process. It which starts with receiving an order from customer, filling it, shipping the order, creating an invoice, and send to the customer, and followed by the receiving payment. Once we have received the payment, we book in our accounts book, and when we have received the payment and records in our accounts book, the O2C cycle is complete.
Okay, so do you know what is cash application?
Yes, sir. Cash application.
Yeah, could you please explain?
So I think there is a two types of cash: applied cash or unapplied cash.
Mhm.
I am going right.
Okay, please
So
explain.
applied cash is that cash the uh, we have we have all the information about the received payment. The payment received We receive the payment in with reference of invoice. This is the applied cash. Unapplied cash is the cash we don't have any information about the payment received.
Okay, so do you know what is purchase order and what is sales order?
Yes, sir. Purchase order is the order which we received our buyer, which we received from our buyer,
Okay,
and sales order we provide our vendor.
if you want to purchase something, you will
Yes,
receive the purchase order or you will give the purchase order.
sir. If I want to purchase, so I give a purchase order.
Okay, so what is the use of sales order then?
Sales order, sales order. We create a sales order for our buyer.
Okay,
When we received a purchase order, then we creating a sales order for the buyer.
okay. So what are the information contained in sales order?
Sir, sales order, information contained in sales order,
Yes.
the name, address of the client,
Okay.
GST and the payment details of the client,
Okay.
description of cost and description and goods and services we delivered, cost of goods and services we delivered, and purchase order number is mandatory.
Okay. So what do you understand by managing customer relationship?
Managing customer relationship.
Yes.
Sir, we are handling our customers with a familiar communication skills, and we solve all of their issues and queries in a certain period.
Okay. What do you mean by accounts receivable?
Accounts receivable is accounts receivable refer to money a company's customers or or for for goods or services they have taken but not yet paid for this.
Okay. What do you mean by collection process?
Sir, collection process, I don't have more information about collection process. I think it's we received the payment and posted it our accounts book. That is, I think, collection process.
Okay. So how is accounts payable process and accounts receivable process are different or are they same?
Nice. No, sir. Account receivable and account payable process are very different. Account receivable process starts for sale a document, sale of product. I think if I'm going to say right, uh, as I mentioned before, uh, accounts receivable it's a part of order to cash process, but accounts payable is the part of the uh, it's a part of the P2P process, procure to pay.
Do you know what is accrual?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What
Accrual
is
is
it?
the some payments, some expenses we made in our current month, but we paid in next month. So we posted in at last day of a month, but we paid it at next month.
Okay, so we can call it due but not received or paid, right? We can call it due but not
Yes,
received or paid.
it's due but not paid yet. Yes, yes, but not received or paid